Hey guys, so today I am going to show you 3 things that my puppy gets mad at or gets scared. Yeah, okay. The first thing I'm gonna do, I have these fake vampire teeth. So I'm gonna put him on and he's gonna get scared. And then he's gonna also get mad. Maybe, I don't know. Some things he gets scared at and mad at. Okay, let's try it. Okay, there we go. I told you he would get scared. Okay, now I have to get him calm and think he's alright. Okay. Uh-oh, I stuck my other one. I have to use my broken wand. It's purple. Can't see. It's okay, Princey. Okay, maybe this will calm him. I don't know. Come on, lay down. It's okay. Maybe I can take his necklace off so it won't be too much noise. Let me see. It'll come off. There we go. Okay, now that I took it off, he's calm. What's wrong with your feet? Put it down. Fine, I can give you a belly scrub. Okay, third thing. I don't think I have a third thing. I just don't remember. Okay, let me see if I can get a third thing. No, I can't get a third thing. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching, guys, and please comment down below what your puppy is scared of. Bye-bye.